Now today's vehicle is none other than the BMW 118i M Sport. Due to the popularity of its bigger brothers, the 128i and the 135i, we thought it only right to show the base model some love. So let's get into it. So, what have we produced for the 118i? We have a couple of options, one being a simple axle back system, just for a cheeky sound upgrade, and the second option, which you can see here, is a full GPF back consisting of stainless steel pipework, removing the rear box to get a lot more tone connected through these tailpipes. So as you can see here, this setup is currently sporting the Maxon Design 135i rear diffuser. This is the version 1, allowing for a dual exit setup, and not the version 2, which does go a bit further for your quads. If you're not quite fancying the Maxon Design rear diffuser and are wanting to keep it more OEM, the M Sport rear diffuser will also suffice. But if all that rear end magic doesn't quite work for you and you are just wanting a sound upgrade, then the axle back system will be more up your street. Moving swiftly on to the fun stuff, let's have a listen to see what the exhaust systems sound like. Starting off with the axle back, which will be a little bit quieter due to the resonator section. And now moving on to the GPF back system, which will be a touch grumblier due to the extra pipe work. Please note, both of these systems will still get you through an MOT, not touching your emissions devices whatsoever. So, we've heard them stood still, probably time to hit the road. So, naturally for this section, we have kept the full GPF back system on, which does give a bit more tone and will give us a better understanding of what the cabin noise is like and what the system's like to live with. And I must be completely honest, I'm rather surprised. Being a 3-cylinder engine, I thought it was just going to be very boomy. However, it's not at all. As soon as you get your foot down, past 3,000 revs, it really gives you a bit of noise. Opens up lovely. That's fantastic. So there you have it, our axle back and GPF back exhaust for the BMW 118i M Sport. As always, if any of the terminology hasn't quite made sense, head over to YouTube and search Exhaust Talk, or if you'd rather talk to a human, pick up the phone and get in touch. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.